Students, good morning. How are you all doing? This is your Vani ma'am from your WUC. Right, students. So I think you're all busy studying for the board examinations. Some would have relaxed for the exam and some are again started with the second revision. Right, students. So remember always a student who does continuous work along with enjoyment also should be there. That student will always come up in life. You should know what is the value of time. At the same time, you should know the value of enjoyment also. Both the things together makes a person perfect. So once again, good morning. This is your Vani ma'am. How are you all doing? So I think you're seeing in the community tabs, I've been sending videos every day. So students, basically we are in the month of January, February and March. So April would be it's a different month where we'll be doing revision and revision and revision for the 12th board examination students. And today I'm here to discuss 3 important points with you all. What is that? Point number 1, I'll be conducting a Menti quiz for all the grade 12 students. Ma'am, what is Menti quiz? It's very beautiful quiz, students. It's an online quiz. Point number 1. Second thing is, first let me tell you the timings, date, how to go, what is the syllabus, right? As mentioned, Menti quiz is for grade 12 students, right? You have been studying, assuming that exams would be in the March. But now the exams got postponed to me. I think by this time pre-board 1, pre-board 2 is also over. So I'm going to see how much is your preparation. Based on that, I'll try to do further revision for you all. Right. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to your browser and type menti.com. Right, students? What should you type? You have to go to your browser and type menti.com. In that particular, once you enter, it's going to ask you for a code. I'll be sending one code in the community tab. Basically, these quizzes are on 19th, 20th, 21st and 22nd of this month. That is on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. What time, ma'am? Time is at 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening. Okay. What is the syllabus, ma'am? Syllabus is Organic Unit 10, that is haloalkanes, haloarenes. Organic Unit 11, alcohols, phenols and ethers. Organic Unit 12, your aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Chapter number 13, that your amines. So all the 4 chapters of your organic chemistry, which carry most important weightage both for your board examination and for your NEET and JEE. So you are going to study all the 4 chapters. Okay. Unacademy, the biggest online platform, learning platform in India. Let's crack it. I'm Vani Potepalli, the verified educator for grade 12 students, CBSE, ICSE as well as state board students are with me.
Unacademy CBSE Class 11 and 12 introduces Pen It Down Subjective Test Series. The link is given in the description and the series is going to start on 9th January 2021. Please go through the link and use my referral code.
Unacademy introduces Revisathon 2.0. It's a 5-day revision marathon series for classes 9 to 12. The starting date is 16 January to 20th January. So this particular competition is, as mentioned, 12th Science, 12th Commerce, 12th Humanities. Subjects and timings are given below. And for classes 10th and 9th, again subject and timings are given below. Please note that it's a 5-day session, revision marathon session, students. So you can join it for free. And for 11th Science and 11th Commerce, subjects are mentioned, timings are also mentioned here. So 10 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. So Revisathon 2.0, note the date, students, 16 January to 20th January from 10 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. with the top educators. Please avail the chance.
These are the Unacademy Plus subscription features where you have daily practice sessions, mock tests which are going on, live quizzes which will be going on, subjective test series coming soon. Join us. Unacademy iconic subscription features include personal mentors. You have live doubt clearing sessions. Weekly reports will be sent to the parents. Parent Connect, where the report will be sent to the parent and the educators are in contact with the parents too. A study planner is perfectly planned and all benefits of Plus also will come under iconic subscription. This is the class 11 subscription. Don't forget to use my referral code, that is Vani10 or Vani Life. This is the subscription rates you can go through. Grade 11 iconic subscription prices, that is again Vani10, Vani Life. Note my referral code. Next comes your grade 12 subscription where prices are given. You have an option of 3 months and 6 months. Please try to use the code Vani10 or Vani Life to get that 10% discount. Then comes the Grade 12 Iconic subscription, 6 months, very less amount. So you can take that particular thing, use my referral code Vani10.
Time, I know it is at 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. I know where to go. Chapters I know. Date I know. Right, next step. On 19th evening 4 p.m. That means exactly tomorrow evening I'll be sending a code in the community tab. Okay, I'll be sending a code for 19th, that is your haloalkenes chapter. I'll be sending a code tomorrow. Means one day before I'll be sending you the code. Got it, students? You need to simply go to the menti.com in the browser, type your code and enter into the quiz. Basically, the quiz will be around 25 to 30 questions with the duration of 45 seconds. Everything would be from your NCERT in text and back questions. Nothing out of the book. So basically, students, you have been studying. Here concept is how much ever we study, how much we put on the question, how much we are able to apply it in the question is what is important. So I have decided to go with this quiz and see how much is your preparation. Now important. Menti quiz, once again I'm repeating, date 19, 20, 21, 22, timings, evening 4 p.m. to 5 p.m, syllabus, NCERT Organic Chemistry first 4 chapters of your part 2 book. In that syllabus, NCERT in text and back questions. Everything will be asked in your multiple choice questions. Question will be there, 4 options will be there. Ma'am, how do I participate? See, when I'm sending you the code, you enter into the browser, enter the code, question number 1, question number 2, like that, all the questions will appear. I'll be there with you all, nothing to worry. Open your phone, okay? You can just type the option in the phone only. So you're opening your phone, you have typed it, you entered the code which I have sent in the community tab, you'll enter. You can read the question, answer it. So after every question, there's a leaderboard. In that, top 10 students' names will be appeared. Top 10 students. Beautiful, isn't it? After every question, points will be added to that. Your name will be reflecting. Once you may be in the 10th position, you may get to 5th. From 5th, you may go to 1st. Like that, all the 25 to 30 questions, you are leaderboard. You according to your preparation, you see yourself in the leaderboard, where you are standing. Okay, you will only know how much you are ready for the JEE exam, how much are you ready for the CBSE exam, and how much are you ready for the NEET examination also. Right, students, it's a beautiful chance. All the 4 chapters I have picked up. I'm going to send the questions also, means feed the questions also today, and be ready for that. Let me see, now my WOC students are going to win in the leaderboard, or as you all know, I'm also at an academy. See, students, they are also students, you are also students. For me, I always believe in one thing. I don't differentiate between, this is that student, no. It's a student community which requires knowledge to share. We as educators, we are happy, and I know at sometimes I feel, God, you have given us that responsibility of molding a child's future. Isn't it important, students? Yes, molding a child's future. I still remember my teachers who were there in LKG. I still remember my teachers who were there in grade 2, grade 1 also. Not all teachers, if I have to tell you frankly, the teacher who has really created that impact in me. Okay, right, students? So once again, I'm telling, I'm uploading all these questions today. Please participate on all the 4 days. Okay, prove yourself. Got it? The student who is going to win, suppose if the student is from WOC, if your name reflects on that, you can also mention, once you win in that, your name would be displayed in the community tab also, if you're a WOC student. Got it, student? So let me see, you are going to win or other group students are going to win. Prove yourself. All the best, students. Perfect. Point number 2. Every day in the community tab, I am posting videos. You all know, I'm a verified educator at an academy. I am doing general organic chemistry there. There'll be 14-day series for general organic chemistry. All the 14 days videos will be posted in the community tab. Remember, whether it is grade 11 or grade 12 students, my sincere request, students, for a video to come on to, or for a video to be published, it's not simply an educator takes a writing pad, sits in front and finish off. Not like that, students. We see that quality content is there in the video. Remember, it is that pain which we take for you all so that your basics are cleared. So in this particular month, I have decided to do 14 sessions of general organic chemistry on Unacademy CBSE grade 11 and 12. Parallelly, I'm going to balance with my WOC, that's World of Chemistry, organic series, which I'm going to do, which I'll be sending a video 2 days later, that is on the assertion and reasoning questions, which I'm ready. So I'm sending GOC questions every day. Please note it. That's point number 2. Point number 3, students. I have done one immense organic revision series for grade 12 students. Please understand, immense organic revision series, that is almost 8 videos. Every video has conversions. Every video has identification based questions. Every video has NCERT questions, and I have planned in such a way that 8 videos along with nomenclature also is done. That is also kept in the community tab. If you are not finding it, please go. I'll just send again the playlist in the community tab. Please watch. So, point number 1, Menti quiz. Point number 2, general organic chemistry 14-day series. Point number 3, immense organic chemistry, where all the conversions are done in this chapter wise. Haloalkanes, 1 video, alcohols, 1 more video, aldehydes, 1 more video, amines, 1 short video, flow charts, like if I have to tell you, basically conversions chart, and the whole how to learn chemical reactions in 10 minutes, everything I did in that. Right, students? So those are the 3 points. So last important point. See, students, if I have to tell you, World of Chemistry has started, it's almost 3 years, September 2017. Anything and everything rather, for any educator, for any teacher rather, let it be online or offline, your support is important. Never assume Vani ma'am has gone somewhere, she is busy, she's nothing. For me, study, education, sharing knowledge is important. For me, students are important. Plus or minus, maybe little bit, because I have to balance my work profile, I have to balance WOC, I have to balance Unacademy CBSE grade 11 and 12, I have to balance my family, everything together I need to balance. So my sincere request is, students, I need your support. Please stay with me. I'm happy. Almost 83,000 students, 83,000 subscribers are there with me. That is a blessing. Please stay and always share the videos. If you're sharing the videos, it goes. I keep posting in Facebook, I keep telling students education for free. Please share it, because if you share the videos, the students who are not able to afford education, the students who are not able to attend attend any online platforms, it's a free education. Right? So all the grade 11 students, grade 12 students, nothing to worry. Please be with me. Just support your Vani ma'am. The journey goes on like this. This is my New Year resolution, as you have seen. Correct, students? Sharing and caring. Please. Yes. Thank you so much. So please join me on 19th, 20th, 21st and 22nd. Where is the code sent? In the community tab. I'll send the code community tab 1 day before. Okay. So menti.com. See you there. I want to see smiles on students' faces. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.